what's going on? Welcome to Tech Moves. Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the new GoPro Hero 7 Black. I actually just started opening it, so I didn't take it out yet, but we're going to unbox it right here, right now, so you guys can see what's in the box. But first things first, we're going to talk about the new GoPro with the Hyper Zoom gimbal-like stabilization. GoPro is claiming that this is a gimbal-like device. You don't need a gimbal for it, and I am very stoked to actually test it out. It is again 12 megapixel 4K 60p. I had the GoPro Hero 5 before, but I actually passed on the 6, and I'm very excited for the 7. I actually did the trade in one of my old GoPros, and they gave me like $100 off of this new model. Now it has 8x super slow-mo, HDR, GPS, live streaming, and a whole new interface. So yeah, this is pretty much it. Let's quickly unbox this and see what's inside. So I already took out the tab. It was actually peeling off anyway, so I just pulled it off. But let's see what's inside. I know people say it's hard to unbox these kind of GoPros, but honestly, they're pretty easy. So once again, just pull it out from the bottom, and there you have it, the GoPro, all set right out of the box. So let's actually look at the internals, what it actually comes with first. So we have the USB-C cable. We have the 2 mounts. I feel like there used to be more mounts, but I guess GoPro's not giving us that much anymore. And this is the GoPro battery. I'm very happy they didn't change the battery because I have a ton of these for my 5, so that's awesome. There's some paperwork and manuals all the way inside here that we can kind of go through, but it's all in there. And that's pretty much what's in the internals. And now just the GoPro itself. Just pull this up, push these in, and then GoPro just slides out, and there you go. This is a new GoPro Hero 7 Black. The one thing I do like about this one is that it's actually black. The past GoPros, even though it says it's the black edition, it's actually grayish. But this looks pretty sleek. It says on the side, Black 7. So just pull this out from the housing, and take this to the side. And that's pretty much it, guys. This is the GoPro Hero 7 Black Edition. I can't wait to test this out. Got a couple events coming up these next couple of weekends. So yeah, stay tuned. And let's see what we can do with this GoPro. So again, it comes with the mounts, USB-C, 1 battery, the manual, and the housing. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Thank you for checking out the channel. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, hit that thumbs up, and the notification button for more stuff coming from us. And I look forward to seeing you guys on the next one. Peace.